I'm ready for lessons because I have nothing in my hands. I face the teacher. I be quiet.
Being ready in PE means you arriving with your kit, arriving with your hat, a full water bottle, loads of energy and loads of positivity, ready to go and do something exciting.
Ready in science means having your equipment out.
Respectful means speaking kind words to everybody.
Being respectful means listening to other people's opinions, being comfortable to know that other people have different opinions to you, and to not fiddle or have a conversation while somebody is talking, a grown-up or a child, and to say your pleases and thank yous to people in the school or outside the school.
Teaching respect and respectful behaviours in our school is very, very important to what it means to be a Wellingtonian. Why is respect so important? Well, respect is about kindness. It's about the way that we show value to other people and also the way that we understand people. So helping children to develop empathy and helping them to really think about how they are able to be the most successful they can be, of course within our school environment, but also as they grow up, being successful in their futures and in their lives.
การเคารพนะครับเป็นสิ่งสำคัญมากนะครับเริ่มจากในโรงเรียนก่อนเลยนะครับผมถ้าเราไม่เรียนรู้จากการเคารพซึ่งกันและกันไม่ว่าจะเป็นการเคารพผู้ใหญ่การเคารพเพื่อนไม่ว่าจะเป็นพี่น้องหรือญาติมิตรต่างๆเนี่ยเราก็จะไม่สามารถอยู่ร่วมกันได้อย่างมีความสุขนะครับฉะนั้นเนี่ยการเคารพซึ่งกันและกันเนี่ยสำคัญมากๆเลยทีเดียวนะครับ
In Kookaburra class, we talk about being respectful, and what that looks like in reception is being respectful to our friends, giving each other space, sharing our toys, sharing our resources. That's really respectful. It's respectful to listen to the adults around you too and to your friends, to listen and give them time and then respond. It's respectful to walk safely around the school, making sure that you're looking around, that you're not going to bang into anyone or anything, and walking quietly is respectful for the rest of the children in the school to do their learning.
We are safe in school by following all the rules, not running in the corridors, and also using the equipment safely so there's no accidents with some people or yourself.
Emotional safety is really important because when someone's sharing an idea or they're talking with someone, they should be confident that everything they say or do will be accepted kindly. And also, everyone should be able to express themselves because everyone's unique and they're really important.
Within our context at school, we feel that making mistakes is incredibly important because this is how our children grow. Within a supportive environment where we encourage children to stretch and grow and learn, making mistakes and reflecting on them is a really important way in developing children's resilience.
In pre-nursery, ready, respectful and safe are words that we use to ensure there's sort of a commonality, consistency in the language that we use when we're supporting children with their behaviour. So ready, for example, can mean something like being ready for outdoor play. So they've got their shoes off, their hats are on. Ready for water play might be that they've got an apron on. So it helps the children to recognise that there's a level of preparedness that they need to have before they do something. Safe can mean being physically safe or emotionally safe. At the moment we've got 2 new children in Robin class, so we're talking to the children about how to help them feel emotionally safe, maybe by something as simple as a smile or a good morning or a wave when they come into the classroom first thing in the morning. And then respectful is really, that can mean so many different things, lots of different situations. In pre-nursery, we use it a lot when we're talking to the children about sharing.